Alright, if you don't have glue, that is totally alright. I'm going to show you how to make watercolor soil paint. So it's very simple. You just pour some water in. I'm just going to put about that much. And then start mixing. Alright, definitely needs more water. I need to speak this part. There we go. Alright, so it looks about good. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Alright, I'm gonna try painting it now. I'm gonna paint another tree. Alright, so here you go. This is a watercolor soil paint tree. So if this is how you do it, sweet. I can't wait to see what you come up with.